How many days are in a year? If you said 365, you're right. But you'd also be right if you said 366. My name is Fox, and we're going to learn about the science of a leap year. First, we need to know the reason for the seasons. It takes about 365 days for our Earth to complete its journey around the sun. The Earth is also spinning, but it's tilted kind of like this. Now, in June, in the northern hemisphere, we're experiencing our hotter, longer days during the summer. But then as we continue our journey around the sun, about 6 months later, in December, now the southern hemisphere is pointed towards the sun, and which leaves us with our colder, shorter winter days. Fun fact, Australia actually experiences summer in December. But if we focus on Philadelphia here, June will always be in the summertime, and December will always be the winter. If our year was exactly 365 days, that would not change. Now, based on constellation maps and seasonal changes, we can see that a year is about 365.2425 days long. That's an extra quarter of a day that we have left over there. But over time, that would add up. Every 4 years, it's about an extra day. But that means in about 120 years, our calendars would be an entire month off. Now, maybe about 700 years from now, we would experience winter in June. So how do we solve this problem? Well, every 4 years, we add an extra day to account for that time that we have left over. The year 2020 will be a leap year. But if we didn't add that extra day, if you were born on February 29th, you'd still have a birthday on March 1st. However, it would probably be in the summertime, or spring, or winter. See, without adding that extra day, the calendar is all off and there's no consistency. So, my name is Fox, and thank you for watching Spark of Science.